Hey everybody. So we see a lot of continuation semis. So semis to the upside again, which tells you AMATs off the inside day list over the weekend. Boom. The LRCX off the inside day list. Boom. Uh, QCOM off the inside day list. Pokes down first, and then 32260 recovery. Boom, up they go. You'll notice the corrective 60 in here against the day week month. Gives you inside 30 as well. Up they go from the weekend list. Also another inside 30 here. So not bad. If we go to SPY, you'll see inside day up SPY from the weekend vid. Boom, boom, boom. They take them all out, all-time highs. And then how do you know not to get out? Well, 3, 260 expansion, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2 reversal profit taking at the end of the day. So pretty simple. And then the 30 guys, you got 1, 2, 2 at the end of the day, and then take some of that off. Notice in the morning, 3, 2, 2 here makes the highs, and that's a simultaneous break. Go to Qs, 3, 2 up. So Qs is a little stronger in the morning, and then inside bar, and then it goes flying. Go to Dow Jones. Notice 2, 1, 2. So it didn't simultaneously break, but it did confirm on that second 60 up. Then IWM did not simultaneously break, but did confirm on that second 60. So you'll see the inside 30, 2, 260 here. So you'll see SPY goes 3, 260. Qs goes 3, 260, simultaneous break expansion. Dow Jones goes 2, 2. IBM goes 2 down, green, and then 2, 2, being the laggard of the bunch. So all that simultaneous break occurring told you that most things were twos to the upside on the day and twos to the upside on the 60s, since everything did that. So you go to like Dow Jones. Do we know about the 2-2 day going into the new week? We did. We mentioned your daily try here. Still doing nothing on the month, but there's your 2-2 back through the daily try, right? And the 60, 2-2-60 reversal triggers daily reversal, and then Momo hammer 60 into the close and then grind. So we'll see if that can follow through or not. Obviously, they're still chopping around. But what we'll then see is a lot of potential 2-2s tomorrow. So in the healthcares, there's a 3 today. So we'll see if that does anything. Inside week currently. Inside up month, yes, but not in force. Potentially we see Myrna back through this daily try again. Notice here, poke down, potential 2-2 day on a Tuesday, back through those guys. Change weekly continuity. Would also change the month, which is an inside bar, which is where you can expect broad informations like this. If we go to AMD, you have the 1-2-2 hammer back into a 3, reclaiming this 3. So potentially that one gets going. The only thing is the month right now is still very red. So, coming into the latter half of the month, that can start recovering if the monthly guys are done selling. But we just don't have the monthly group getting countered, which is what we prefer. If we go to things like waste management, you'll see this is what we prefer. So the month goes inside bar, down, down, right? Takes out the lows of the mother bar. The day goes hammer yesterday or Friday, sets up the 2-2 week, goes 2-2 week, reclaims this stuff. So anytime we're above this, 204.08 this week, we'd like to take out all these guys if we can. And if that doesn't reverse, maybe it takes a couple weeks, but we still want to take that out. It's 214.54. So what we can then do is go on the waste management, look at like July 19 calls. The 210s are trading at 240 at the close. So up here, they'd be trading 5. And that's if you buy a month at a time. If you only go a couple weeks out, like July 5th, the 210s are trading at $1.40. So those could go 140 to 5. You can also use the 207.5s, which will go to like, $7, $8. So we can look for stuff like that, given additional 60 signals. You can see this also in 3-2 and expansion with the 2-2 weekend force, reclaiming all this stuff. But yeah, we're going to look for that. What we'll also see is essentially some 2-2s on the cruise lines. So like Royal Caribbean, triangle out on the day, 2-2 back up, NCLH, potential 2-2 back up, CCL, potential 2-2 back up. Could have sworn there was an Alaskan cruise line, so I could be wrong there, but that's 3 of them. Let me make sure I'm not missing any on the 2-2 list in here. There's going to be a few others, but we'll see. It's like TXN from the weekend vid list. We said we don't have to be a hero and be the first one in there. It didn't do much. So it could go outside week. Maybe it's still 1 on the month, right? Not doing much. With the chips recovering, or not recovering, but continuing this week, potentially 2-2s on a Tuesday and this stuff like ON, which was on the weekend list, or Notice it take out all those guys on the week in succession, stop them all out, and that was it. Now, if it goes 2-2 back up, we can change direction, right? We can take it the other way. So we'll see on that type of stuff. On the inside day list, it's a lot of weak stuff, which makes sense. Whole market rally today. Anything inside is going to be weaker. So let me get those up here. We'll see Uber inside day a little weaker, still nowhere near on the week or month becoming to ARM. Goes inside day a little weaker, but Momo Hammer with the month in force at all-time highs. Chewy goes inside day. It could either reverse up or down on the week. So weekly continuation up directional or weekly inside bar down reversal. Still 2 up month though in green. And then there's also, and this isn't conflicted, so just be aware of that. There's also going to be Octa potentially. Could negate the month with the weekly inside up in force with the inside date to trigger that. So either side of that could get your attention still. And then CI in here. You'll see the inside day at the bottom of the daily try. Potentially come back through these guys after slight lower low and reclaim. Inside day with now weak day and 60 groups in your direction above that, 334.15. So that is going to be just about it. There might be a few other miss in there, but that covers most of the bases I wanted to hit today. So I hope you guys had a good trading day, and I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning in stat. And if you're not in stat, I'll see you guys into the nightly video tomorrow night.